Welcome to the Another Place exhibition at Crosby Beach, Sefton. As we arrive, we are greeted by Antony Gormley's stunning installation featuring 100 cast-iron figures spread across 3 kilometers of sandy beach. Each figure stands approximately 6 feet 2 inches tall and weighs a remarkable 650 kilograms. They stand resolutely, gazing out toward the horizon. The figures, known locally as the Iron Men, are not merely sculptures. They are reflections of time and the elements. Over the years, they have weathered and aged uniquely, adorned with barnacles and marine life that speak to their enduring presence in this coastal environment. As we walk along the beach, you may find yourself momentarily startled by the illusion of a living figure among them, only to realize it is one of Gormley's creations. This location was chosen for its rich interplay between art and life, where the figures coexist with the natural landscape and industrial backdrop of Merseyside. The installation invites visitors to ponder deeper questions about existence. Before arriving at Crosby Beach in 2005, these figures were displayed in various locations around the world, including Cuxhaven in Germany, Stavanger in Norway, and Japan in Belgium. The installation is now securely placed here after initial controversy surrounding its nudity and impact on local beachgoers. The changing tides dictate their visibility. Sometimes they appear to emerge from the sea, while at other times they are nearly swallowed by it. As we conclude our visit to this extraordinary exhibition, let the serene presence of another place linger in your thoughts. These figures are not just art. They are a reflection of resilience, contemplation, and the enduring human spirit against the backdrop of nature's vastness. Thank you for watching. Please hit like if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe to CLM Adventures.